Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. We have 3x over x minus 4 over 2x. And we're asked to simplify this, which means, with that minus sign in between, that we need to add or subtract these two fractions. Now, to add or subtract fractions, we're going to need a lowest common denominator. And when you're looking at that, you want to look at the different factors of it. This one has an x, this one has an x. So we're definitely going to need an x. But this one also has a 2, so we're going to need that as well as part of our lowest common denominator. And if you see adding or subtracting in the denominator, you have to include the entire factor, but we don't have that on this one. Okay, so our lowest common denominator is 2x, which means we are going to write all of that over top of 2x. And now to modify, the first fraction needs to have a 2, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 2. Second fraction already has a 2x on the bottom, so it can stay as it is. So now, since we have a common denominator of 2x, we can simply write it all over top of 2x. On top, in the first fraction, we have 2 times 3x, which would be 6x, and the second fraction, minus 4. Alrighty, now, technically we're finished. However, there could be a common factor that we need to consider. I am looking at the numerator, 6x minus 4. There is a greatest common factor of 2 that we could take out. So we're going to do that. Factor out the 2, and that would leave behind 3x minus 2, all over top of 2x. Now look at that. We have a common factor of 2 on the top and on the bottom that can divide. All right, that means our final answer is going to be 3x minus 2 on top, x on the bottom, and we are finished. All except for restrictions. So our non-permissible values would be to do with the denominator, the fact that we have x in the denominator, so x cannot equal 0. And there we go. Alrighty, I hope that helped.